the first thing you have to think about is how to find the data. The physical layer, where we store all of your data, imagine that in the on-premises environment. An on-premises environment, an IT admin or operator knows exactly who's on what disk drive, where that disk drive is, where that computer is. They can walk down the hallway, they can open the door, go and get that drive, take it out, they have the data. Now in the online system, first of all, the only people who have access are the folks that are doing maintenance on the servers. Now they have themselves absolutely no ability to go find out who lives on what partition, what disk, because they're not the administrators in the environment. So let's say that they did want to go pull a drive. Let's speculate. Let's say they went and pulled a drive out of the environment. They go to a server, pull the drive out. As soon as they pull it out, no data available to them because we have taken techniques like BitLocker to make sure that drive is completely useless as soon as it's pulled out of the environment. Now that's the extreme case. In a regular maintenance case, we are destroying drives as we send them out to our manufacturer. The next thing you should think about is targeting the data. Let's say we move past the physical layer into the logical layer. Let's say that you were able to find yourself an avenue to get on a server where this data lived. Now in this avenue, what we have done is we have made sure that nobody is able to execute any code that is not known to us. So let's say you got onto a server and you opened up that process and you got some piece of code and you put it on our servers. That piece of code won't run because what we do is we make sure that only known processes are whitelisted such that only those will run. It's not just about the name. We will thumbprint, fingerprint, and of course our job is never done. We ourselves are testing our own boundaries. We have a red team and a blue team, one contracting the other. A red team goes and actively, sneakily, using all the techniques that are open available in the wide internet, try and break into our service regularly. And the blue team tries to stop them. Now, using this kind of rigor and discipline, we make sure that we are testing ourselves continuously. Topmost in our priority list, we are making sure that we are stopping every exploit and filling every hole that we find.